What is up, Mighty KJ Squad? It's your boy KJ back with another video. I'm so tired, but today I have me a new car and I'm gonna let you guys ride on it. And so let's get started. I'm gonna show you guys the car that I have. Yes. It's 5:21. So this is the car. This is the car that I have. Now watch it go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hook the camera up to the car and let you guys ride around a little bit. So let's get started. Okay, so it should go like this. No, it should go like this around the phone. Ain't strong enough. I gotta use another piece of tape. I'm getting hungry. I'm gonna go and get me a snack for a few minutes. Y'all, hold on. Just gonna slice it off. Okay, this piece right here. So you guys definitely come with me to get my snack. So let's go. movie. Y'all, this was my early present. The car that y'all are driving on, because today is November the 24th. So tomorrow's Christmas Day. Yeah, I got me a snack. It's a moon pie. Yeah, let's go. Wow. This thing is
he wants us to call again, but I've calmed down and speak more than
new book. Sit over here and let y'all go around, have y'all a little tour around the room with the car, and I'm gonna be eating my moon pie. And this is the white kind. I love the white kind. It's like so good. It has marshmallows up in it. Oh, good. Let's get started. The camera done already crashed twice. Oh my gosh. You guys are going under my bed. Yeah, my mama up in here watching her some little dancing dolls. She love watching her some little dancing dolls. She be watching dancing dolls because she like to dance. Well, not her, my sister does. Well, she like. I started watching it because I like the girls that's on it, because them girls be they cute. And I started watching it because of the dancing they be doing, and they be like twerking and stuff. So yeah, that's why I started watching it. And they be funny. They be like it's Cookie, and here comes Cookie. The Cookie Monster come out and jump on Cookie, and then the Cookie Monster gonna eat the cookie. Like, this is the Cookie Monster. Like, hold on, y'all. So, felt like this is the cookie. Hold on. No, this is works. So, felt like this is the cookie. The Cookie Monster is doing this to it. The Cookie Monster. Lucky me that those are safety scissors. So let me give y'all another tour. So I will see you guys later. Oh no, the camera fell again. Oh my gosh. The camera keep on falling. So you guys, I'm gonna give you guys one more little tour under my sister's bed. Then I'm gonna give y'all another little tour inside the closet. And then that's gonna be it. So yeah, my sister have a lot of stuff because she's like having secret shoes and all that stuff under her bed. She has like some lot of clothes and stuff. New clothes inside a box and stuff, you know. It's packed of shoes and boxes of clothes and, you know, like diamonds and rings and all that stuff. But they old anyway, so. Come back, camera. Hey, camera, bad camera. Quiet, camera. No. Oh my gosh. Y'all can't even freaking go into the closet. Y'all are entering the closet. Now come back to me. So you guys, that's it for today. I'll see you guys next time. Good.